Welcome! In this video I will show how you can reset settings in Redmi. So to begin this video, let me quickly show that unfortunately on the new Redmi phones you won't be able to separately reset settings or restore default system settings. You can still do that by factory resetting your smartphone. Just keep in mind that when you will factory reset your device, not only your settings will be reset, but also all the data and personalizations across the device will be also erased. So if you have anything of importance, create a backup of your phone, of your system and data. And now, in order to access the factory reset option, you will need to launch your device's settings, then enter the About Phone category. Here, go into the factory reset, press erase all data, and then continue by following the instructions you'll see on your screen. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye.